Hello once again, and welcome to another edition of Stock Market Gambling 101. Today I'm very proud to say that I'm going to discuss a concept that I haven't seen anybody else discuss. Now, unfortunately, most of us don't have $25,000 to throw into a brokerage account, so for that reason, we have to deal with the pattern day trader rule and the maximum of 3 day trades per week. One gentleman on the stock blog site StockTwits, I think, put it very eloquently. He suggested that trying to buy stocks without having a day trade available would be sort of like trying to skydive with a very big brick tied to each foot. So the methodology that I use when I don't have a day trade available is I buy very late in the day and then hold it overnight, and I can sell it immediately in the morning if I desire. Now, this is not the new concept that I'm introducing. I've talked about this before, so it's nothing new. The new concept, I figured, is I should pay attention to what a stock's tendency is to do after hours if I know I'm going to be holding it overnight. One of the things my stock spreadsheet shows is what a stock has done in the after hours period on average over the last 20 trading periods. So for example, let's look at this top stock here, DWTI. It says after hours it's minus 0.3%. So how I did that was on DWTI's spreadsheet here. See, it shows on the first, it closed at 94.99. On the second, it opened, it closed at 94.99, and it opened, holy cow, it opened at $90.87, so it went way down. $4.12 in that one day. Now, this column has all that's happened over the last 20 trading periods. So this is how much it went down before open on the second. This is how much it went up before open on the sixth, etc. on down the list all the way, including the last 20 trading periods. So I add up all these values here and figure out the percentage, which is on the other sheet here. Go back to the other sheet. The list, the overall list, see, on average, it went down 0.3% of its average daily value, or its average daily price. So to put it simply, this stock has a tendency to go down in the after hours. Well, it went down in the regular hours too. This stock has been going down quite a bit. But anyway, so if I'm going to hold a stock overnight, I want to look for a stock that is plus in the pre-hours trading. I mean, that seems to make sense, right? Especially since a great deal of the trade is just waiting on the overnight. I mean, I might sell it immediately when market opens in the morning. Although I generally let a stock go for the first half hour because that's the most profitable time to be holding a stock. Now this is about what my list looked like at the end, towards the end of the trading day on September 30th. And I didn't have a day trade available, so I wanted to buy a stock to hold overnight. And this one jumped out at me, GBR. You see, it's during the pre-hours, it performs extremely well. It's up an average of 1.5% in every pre-hour trading period. Every pre-hour trading period over the last 20 trading periods, that is. So fast forwarding in time, it is actually the 1st of October as I make this video. But I'm currently waiting on how GBR fares over the weekend. And that concept will conclude this edition of Stock Market Gambling 101. By now you should see the little click to watch next video button in the lower right hand corner. I invite you to do so you can see what happens next week, or the next week in my video series. But anyway, have a nice evening, and I hope to see you there.